Welcome to Brightfield Middle School. I'm your principal, Aaron Gaffigan.
And I'm your assistant principal, Bonnie Baggett.
We're extremely excited to have you at the building this year. This is Miss Baggett and I's 4th year as the admin team at Brightfield. While we're going to have to make some adjustments at the building this year, we have no doubt this year will be a success. Miss Baggett and I, along with our staff, have come up with new procedures to keep you safe and healthy as possible, and your teachers are prepared to teach you those on the first day of school.
As you start this year, you'll be introduced to our core values, which are respect, responsibility, community, excellence, determination, and growth. We use these words to guide our work every single day, and we love to acknowledge students who lead by example and exemplify these core values.
All right, let's go check out our building.
Mr. Gaffigan, don't forget to put on your mask.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Special K, okay. Special K, okay.